Hey writers, today you are here to do a little revising on your very first sentence or two of your Profile of Graduates reflection paragraph. When we write a lead for anything, whether it is a narrative story, an informational text, an opinion piece, or a short paragraph like this one, we want that first sentence to hit. We want that first sentence to engage our reader and make them think, okay, I'm here, I'm gonna listen. If you start your paragraph with just something like boring, like I have a growth mindset, the reader might just be like, oh, okay, well, that's kind of simple. You want to engage the reader in that first sentence or two. So I'm going to show you a revising technique where I write out a few different leads of what I could possibly do and then choose the one that fits best. So let's jump over to my draft and take a look. Here we see my draft, and my beginning is probably this, right? Sometimes I feel like I'm spinning plates, about 10 plates at the same time. Now, of course, I'm not actually spinning these plates, but at times they feel real. Okay, so my whole paragraph is basically about this metaphor that like I'm showing balance because I have all these things, and the metaphor is these things are like plates, right? And there's that, if you've ever seen it, plate spinners, which are, people have like a plate and they put it on a little pole and then they spin it, right? And they get one going and then they put the next one and then they have all these plates spinning. It's like a circus act, right? So my lead is okay, but I'm going to try a few different things here to make it a little bit better. So maybe I want to say my Profile of Graduates traits right in the beginning, right? Maybe I want to start with the definition. Sometimes when we write a strong lead, we start with a quote. So I could say, according to the Profile of Graduates poster, balance means, and I would put this in quotes because these aren't my words, right? These words come from the poster. Balance means well-roundedness, focus, and sustenance of a healthy mental and physical lifestyle. I'm doing too much thinking. I can't focus on my spelling. Okay, so this is maybe one lead, right? And I'll end a quote there. I've used a quote. I'm using really technical language, and I've defined what balance means. That's one lead. I'm going to number these actually. One. Okay, my next lead I want to try is sometimes when we start something, we ask a question, right? Have you ever seen a circus performer spinning plates? Right? Then that gets the reader thinking like, wait, spinning plates? I thought this was supposed to be Profile of Graduates. But it kind of engages the reader right from the beginning by asking them a question. And then maybe I'll want to make something a little bit more emotional. I'll try that out. Meaning, like I'll kind of write the action, right? So balance. Oh, what's another word? Maybe this. Plate spinners have to have balance. So I'm kind of describing what these plate spinners do, right? Plate spinners have to have balance. They must be able to focus on many tasks, many plates, at the same time. Sometimes I feel like I'm spinning plates. And then it kind of goes into the, feel like I'm spinning about 10 plates. So here I've written 3 different leads. So the first one has a quote. right? So we can call that a quotation lead. The second one is a question lead. And then the third is kind of an action or description lead. Okay, and these are 3 different leads that you might have used in like narrative writing or informational writing, but they're 3 different types of leads. Me personally, I think that my third lead is the strongest, right? So I'm just going to copy and paste this so I don't have to retype it. I can copy and then put it right here by pasting. Okay, and I want to take off that highlighting. So I'll just do highlight none. Oop. Maybe I'll take that off. Okay, so now let me check it and see if it flows, right? I've added this new lead in there, but I want to make sure that it fits with the rest of my writing. Plate spinners have to have balance. They must be able to focus on many plates at the same time. Sometimes I feel like I'm spinning plates, about 10 plates at the same time. Now, of course, I'm not actually spinning these plates, but at times they feel real. Okay, I feel like I've totally strengthened my lead here by just adding 2 new sentences that help to hook the reader and get them engaged right from the beginning. So now you've seen me test out a few different leads and pick the one that felt best. You can do the same job with your writing. Go to your draft, reread that beginning, think about, how could I try a lead that has a quotation in it? How could I try a lead that has a question? How could I try a lead that has an action or a description? And try a few of these. Remember, a lead is just like 2 sentences, 1 or 2 sentences. So try a few different leads and then pick the one that you think is the strongest lead that you think will really capture your audience's attention right from the beginning. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.